we're back with a new mold from Smedioks.
This one right here is a Swing Impact 3.8 inch mold.
Nice little swim bait. This thing right here has some great action to it. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. And no surprise here, with every stone mold that you purchase from Smedioks, you get instructions on how to make silicone baits. And honestly, if you follow this to the T, you should have perfect baits, no issues. They also give you a bottle of oil here to oil down your stone molds, because stone molds do require oil. And the mold itself, as you can see, they have Smedioks imprinted on the outside, and on the back they have 3.8 inch and the imprint of the bait itself on the outside. Super attention to detail on these, awesome. These are made with high precision CNC machines, so the quality on these are phenomenal. Definitely high quality, durable, not cheaply made whatsoever. As you can see, they pre-shoot these molds for you to make sure you're getting a great mold, no imperfections in it. That is awesome. Right off the bat, you can see all those vent holes right there to help with the bubbles and all the air pockets and dents you might see in other molds. On this one, they have a lot of vents. That's awesome. Hopefully we have the same result when we shoot our baits. But either way, let's go ahead and prep this mold by throwing some oil in it, and let's make our own baits. With the oil provided, you just want to put a few drops into each cavity here. Get your nice brush and just spread it out evenly. Make sure you get the oil into all the crevices. You want enough oil, but you definitely don't want too much oil in these. Close her on up. Clamp it down. You always want to clamp them down because you want a nice tight fit so none of the plastisol spews out the sides. Nice tight and snug fit. Perfect. As you can see right here, you got some vent holes on the side to help the air escape. On both sides, you got the little vents on top. Awesome. So I think 2 clamps on this one will be good. So just like the instructions said, make sure to cook the plastisol to a minimum of 350 degrees. So now add your color of choice. I'll be doing emerald green. Make sure to stir it up. Also adding some silver glitter here to give it a nice little pop. And always make sure to mix it up really good. Once the glitter is all nice and mixed up in there, the only thing left to do is put it into your injector and shoot the mold. You can see it spewing out the side from the ventilation holes. Once it's filled up, just give it a little bit more pressure to help get the air out of there. Lift it up and always make sure to top it off. Let's go ahead and give this about 2 to 3 minutes to cool off, and we'll take a look and see how we did. As you can see, the ventilation holes did exactly what it's supposed to do. It definitely helped prevent some of those dents and air pockets. And once you take the bait out of the mold and clean it up from all the extra plastic from the vent holes, you are left with a fantastic little swim bait here. If you haven't already, I highly suggest checking out Smedioks. They have a large collection of stone molds available. Whatever bait you could think of, they most likely have it. Super affordable, but definitely high quality stone molds. Highly recommend checking them out.